My best advice to newbies is to not layer on your first few projects. Just use a simple design and a good vinyl like this 123 Flex that's easy to weed and iron on.
Hi everyone. Well, it's almost Valentine's and I'm going to make a little shirt for my number 6, Dylan, who's 3.5 years old. And it's going to say future ladies man, currently mama's boy. So I've already cut my type out and weeded it. So, thank goodness this vinyl is so easy to weed, because for some strange reason I keep choosing type that's delicate. I don't know why I do that. I'm not experienced enough. I'm not good enough to do that, but I do. He really is a mama's boy too. But I don't blame him. I had my daughter-in-law as a mother. Not that I didn't love my own mother, but she's awesome. So, I mean, she's so patient with everyone. She has 3 children from 3 to 10. And I mean, they're running around and little cray-cray. But she is the best. What do you think? I'm getting there. Bye, guys. Happy Valentine's Day.